Третий класс. Английский язык. Звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Он очень смешной. Часть первая. Страница 91, 92, 93. English. Starlight 3. He is very funny. Homework. Part number 1. Page number 91, 92, 93. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 91. 91. Exercise number 1. Read the summary and correct the mistakes. Прочтите пересказ и исправьте ошибки. The answer. That night, the three brothers go to the field. They take some bread and cheese. They eat, look like silver. Andrei and Sergei start to feel very sleepy. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Read the story again and choose A or B. Прочтите историю еще раз и выберите A или B. They take some bread. The three brothers, Sergei and Andrei. Making it look like silver. The moon, the wheat. I am tired. Sergei, Andrei. He sits back. Иванушка, Sergei. The answer. Number 1, A. Number 2, B. Number 3, A. Number 4, A. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Let's sing. Давайте петь. There's magic in the air. Feel it in the night. Feel it in the stars above and in the moonlight. Can you feel the magic? There's magic in the air. Can you feel the magic? There's magic everywhere. There's magic in the air. Feel it in the night. Feel it in the stars above. Tonight will be the night. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 92. 92. Phonics. Exercise number 1. Read the word sentences first to yourself, then aloud. Прочтите слова предложения сначала про себя, а затем вслух. Look, book, good, foot. Look, my book. Look, my good book is. Look, my good book is under your foot. Oh, no, go, nose, note, home, those, old, no. Take this note to Mr. Jones, Tony, says Mrs. Bones. Who's Mr. Jones? Asks Tony. I don't know him. His home is up the hill, says Mrs. Bones. Oh, yes, I know, says Tony. He's the old man with the big nose. Ear, ear, dear, here, near, real, Neil. Dear Neil, come near. I can't hear you well. My ear hurts. Air, here, chair, fair, bear, where, careful. Ben is a beautiful bear. He's got fair hair. Where is Ben now? There he is, on the chair. Be careful, dear Ben. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Find the word one out. Найдите лишнее слово. Good, book, foot, come. Shop, home, nose, those. Ear, jeans, near, real. Chair, where, cake, careful. The answer. Come, shop, jeans, cake. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Sing. Спойте. My poor old bear has got no nose and only one good ear, and now his hair is not so fair, but to me my teddy's dear. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 93. 93. Checkpoint. Exercise number 1. Look, read and choose the right words. Посмотрите, прочитайте и выберите правильные слова. The answer. They got here on their feet. It's got big ears. He's got a big mouth. It's got 3 hands. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Look, read and complete. Посмотрите, прочитайте и заполните. What is your dog like? The answer. He's got big nose and small brown feet. He's got dark eyes too. He is really cute. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Read and choose. Прочитайте и выберите. Has she got green eyes? The answer. They haven't got fair hair. Sam and I have got big feet. Has he got a brother? Your cat has got a short tail. I haven't got blue eyes. Have you got a red hair? We haven't got a big nose. I have got dark hair. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Put the words in plural. Поместите слова во множественное число. Child, children. The answer. Tooth, teeth. Man, men. Foot, feet. Woman, women. Now I can. Say the names of the parts of my body. Describe a person and animal. Say and write what my hero is like in English. Describe an animal. Sue has got a little puppy. It has got small ears and big blue eyes. Its name is Tom. It has got a small pink nose. Tom is very funny and beautiful. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.